Dupe App. So what is that? So this is a new trend, and it's going viral on TikTok. So find dupes you can actually afford. So sometimes you just find some really nice fancy product on the internet. Can be furniture, can be something else, but it's fancy. It's like thousands of dollars. And with this app, you can just search some product, and then basically just see dupes and products which are actually much cheaper. So for example, you can see, all right, so let's just select some more expensive chair. So let's check it out. So for example, you have this chair, and then let's try it out if I can find some dupes. And here, this is share for like $300, and then you can find something quite similar, which is like 180 pounds or 50 pounds, 83% less or 40% less, and it looks kind of almost the same. Yeah, so this is just the idea of the app, so it's pretty cool. And then you can just find some nice products here. And at the moment they only have a website like dupe.com. Here to add an app, you just need to save it as your bookmark, so that's just what you have at the moment. But yeah, that's the app, that's the idea, so give it a try. Dupe.